good. I look fucking bad as fuck, like, bitch. What's poppin', Sunkiss Squad? It is your girl, Kay to the motherfucking Benz, the Sunkiss Queen, and I'm back with another bitty titty. Oh, today's look going to be a Halloween inspired look. We are going to be doing a glam clown. Basically, a glam clown is a cute looking type of clown, nothing scary, nothing horror, just a little boom, bitch. Like, yeah, I'm a clown, but I'm fucking bad as fuck. You get me? So we gonna get straight into this video. So I basically just finished applying my foundation, concealing, contouring, the whole 9 yards. I'm now gonna get into the actual clown look. Basically what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be drawing out where I want the kind of clown effect to be in a white eyeliner pencil. Now since we basically drew where we want, it does not have to be perfect just because you can always fix it up later, but now we're going to get into a little shadowing that's underneath. Now since we basically shaded and did everything, I'm not going to fill it in just yet. I'm now going to draw 2 triangles at the top. Now since we basically finished drawing everything out, we're now going to get into the final details. So filling the little things with black, doing the lips, the nose, basically doing what makes a clown a clown. So let's get into that.
Production.
And there you guys have it, my finished glam. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys have any type of... Oh my god, I look fucking bad as fuck, like, bitch. Kill me, I dare you. Am I look fucking bad as fuck, but bitch? You should know what that means. Anywho, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you guys have any type of ideas, whether it's any seasonal, any illusions, anything you guys want to see me do, make sure you guys comment them down below. Don't forget, hit that like button, type in that comment, and hit that subscribe button with the bell to know when I post. It is your girl, K to the motherfucking Benz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, 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 oh.